Hello again. This lesson is shorter because the content is more conceptual, no architecture diagrams, no config files. We are talking about deployment models. This matters because you need to understand the context in which you will work. We have two models, on-premise and Oracle Cloud. In on-premise deployments, which is where most of you working at telecom companies and banks, that means your company owns and runs everything. Every web server, every application server, every Oracle database server sits in your company's data center. Your IT team is responsible for hardware, operating system patching, Siebel patching, backups, disaster recovery, or DR. The benefit of on-premise is control. You control who can access what, you control when you patch, you control how deeply you customize Siebel to match your exact business processes. Oracle also offers Siebel as a cloud-hosted service. In this model, Oracle manages the infrastructure and you consume Siebel as a service, similar to how Salesforce works. The advantage is reduced operational overhead. You do not worry about servers or patches. The disadvantage is less flexibility for customization and dependence on Oracle's release schedule. Many enterprises operate in hybrid model, Siebel on-premise for core CRM with cloud integrations for specific capabilities. For example, Siebel might integrate with an Oracle Cloud billing system via REST APIs, while the core Siebel environment remains on-premise. That's all you need to know about deployments model for now. Let us get to the lab. This lab where you will test yourself. You learned all that model to test yourself at the end. Congratulations! You have finished Module 1.